Man, the hatch has just been showing these axles no mercy. Broke 2 of them over this weekend while we were over at the ice cream cruise. This one right here, we put in, it was brand new out of the box from AutoZone. Only made 1 pass out of it, and then the next one, she snapped right away. When we got back from the ice cream cruise, we just dropped the hatch off in the driveway because we were using this dip right here to help get the back of the trailer down, help level the ramps out so my weight plate didn't hit, because without it, my weight plate hit really bad on the ramps on the trailer. So we just left her in the driveway after we got back. Just gonna swap this axle out real quick. We just went to AutoZone and got a new one. Gonna get that one thrown in there. She'll be ready to rock. Yeah, she broke good, huh?
Bro,
she snapped.
What happened, dude? Damn.
The hatch was eaten.
That Vato's on special. Did you see it down here? It's like...
This is done. Oh, damn. I didn't see that. That elevation was treating the hatch too good.
I know.
These stock axles just can't hang.
She's trying to grip.
She needs some upgraded axles, for sure. It's coming. Been rocking the stockies for way too long. But I mean, they work. It's just auto part stores have them. But yeah, it's definitely time to upgrade the axles. Rest in peace.
Oh yeah, got her good.
Look at that, identical.
Not identical, because one of them was sawed off in the front.
They were identical.
One came out a little retarded.
Left the impact in Jamie's truck, so this is all we got.
Don't take your mirror off. Oh damn!
Dude, I don't even know how.
Yeah, I think that's good, dude. You're gonna snap that thing. No.
I don't think I'll snap it.
I don't know. It just looks so easy.
That's pretty tight. Oh. We're gonna
200 foot-pounds.
Like you just use the hatchet.
That's what that's made for, dude.
There you go.
I knew it was for something. How's it go? Keep on keeping on.
Can't trick me with that up dog.
What's up, dog?
I got you.
Bro, are you done yet, dude?
That's the real reason you came over today.
It is, dude. Got a little care package from Kate.
Got another one.
Another one. This is for Hondaru, though.
As DJ Khaled would say.
And another one. They even got like K-Tune tape.
Yeah, they're
doing it, dude.
They got it figured out. Damn, another snapback.
This one's for me. I don't even know if it'll fit me, but got a big head. Appreciate that. Ooh. What do we got here? Damn, this is that plate that covers the coils. That's sick. K-Tune. Damn,
is that the dipstick?
Dipstick too? Ooh.
Dude, that's gonna be
damn,
fresh.
That's nice, dude. Hell yeah.
And the oil cap.
Bro, I feel like it's Christmas right now, dude. Is that for real, dude? Yeah, awesome. They got the plugs and they got that fitting. Damn.
Dude, that is sick. Sexy.
There you got the holes.
Yeah, so K-Tune sent a valve cover for the Hondaru. This is their custom valve cover. It already has AN ports on the valve cover. They're already baffled and everything. Comes with fittings. Came with the oil cap and the dipstick. It's gonna look real good poking out of the hood. I know what they were thinking. It's gonna say K-Tune right there.
That's gonna look sick. Now that I think about it, it's gonna be like right there, K-Tune.
Yeah, it's gonna look badass.
Hell yeah. Shout out to K-Tune, man. Appreciate it. That's fucking awesome, dude.
Hooking the Hondaru up. So yeah, for now you can just run the little plugs that it come with until we put a catch can on it.
So you make me one?
Yeah. Till I fab you one up. Damn, that's sweet.
This thing is sweet. It's the little things, bro. Out with the old.
Hey, easy, I'll take it. Put it on the MR2. Gotta swap the gasket out real quick though.
Yeah, the new gasket that I bought.
Yeah, the brand new gasket that we're gonna put on. It's right here.
Nice.
Fresh from the auto parts store, you know? She did.
Damn,
Yeah, don't set it down.
You gotta set it down on the cardboard. So it already came with these, so all we have to do is add this.
Yeah, it actually did come with new O-rings for the spark plug holes.
Don't judge me, bro.
Bro, you know like that thing you do when you're in elementary school where you match the shape to the hole? It's just like that.
You went to elementary school, bro?
Yeah.
I didn't even go to school.
Passed with a 4.0.
I don't even know what school is. People are gonna be like, damn, you didn't go to school.
Damn.
Fancy.
Look at that.
That changes everything, bro. Where's that bag?
Hondaru's gonna be looking good.
People are telling me to paint this silver like the hood, but I like it black. I don't care if it sticks out.
I mean, we'll see what it looks like once it's on and we shut the hood. I think it's gonna look pretty good.
Maybe like
Even black.
carbon fiber hood.
Oh, that'd be sick.
Take some weight off the car. It's already on there too. Oh, hold on, I'm missing something. What is here? Dang.
The dipstick.
Look at that thing, dude. Thing's sick. Easy killer. There it is.
Damn.
Oh, there,
there it goes.
I was
Yeah,
like,
it's like-
damn, it sticks up like
Yeah,
that.
I was like, it'd look a lot cooler if it's flush.
Damn.
That looks good.
It's like stealth mode.
All right.
That's sick.
Cool.
Yeah, it looks like the nut just, the hole's right there for the nut. See?
Nice.
Just fits right around it.
Oh,
Damn.
already had it out.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look sick.
Body looks so much nicer.
Now I have to clean up the rest of the bay. That valve cover's so clean.
What they should do is anybody from YY watching. I mean, I'm just saying we need a. I mean, this harness is a little janky looking.
That's next,
I'm
dog.
just saying I know they offer a mil-spec one.
Damn. Last piece. Need the sticker for the oil cap. And it's done.
This is it, bro.
Do the
Is
honors.
it tight all the way so I can put it on good?
Yeah.
All right, that's
Make
good
sure it's
enough.
tight so the sticker's upright where you want it.
Where's it like this?
Yep. Damn.
Official now.
She's legit.
Hell yeah.
Alright, well let's shut that hood real quick, see what it looks like.
Just want to stare at it.
You want to put the wastegate back on or not yet? Just leave it off for now. We can at least like rest it because we don't want it to hit and scuff up the valve cover.
That would be.
I mean, it still doesn't hit, but for now you can just leave it off. Set that guy over here somewhere. Damn. Dude, when it has a dump going down, it's gonna look so much better.
Yeah, well. All right. Looks like. Oh yeah.
Dang.
So clean.
I mean, I like it.
I like it without the dump tube too.
Yeah. If you get that dump tube cover up, it's gonna look so good.
And the K-tune is perfect.
Got K-tune poking out right there.
Hell yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I like the cover.
That looks good.
I like this cover, I like that.